mobile phone is getting better on a daily basis. Now, if you can't progress like I do not worry, because I got some tips and tricks you don't know available for your phone. Hi, I'm Johnny Ford. Welcome and thank you for clicking. If you are new here, please click that subscribe button to join the family. Turn off your post notifications so that you will not miss any of our new video from the channel. So without further delay, let's get straight into this video. Step 1. Stop auto updating. You can stop app from updating, especially from Play Store, by heading over to Play Store. Tap on the icon at the upper right corner, find setting, network and preferences, click do not update. There you go. Two, turn on eye protection. To do that, head over to setting, find display and then stroke all the way down eye protections and then toggle it on. Number 3, block advertisement. Define Chrome app on the phone and then tap on it, open. At the upper right corner, click on the 3 dots, stroke all the way down, click on setting, find site setting, click on it and then stroke down, find either add or instructed add and then toggle it on. Number 4, notification privacy. To do that, head over to your setting, applications and notification, click on notification, then tap on lock screen. And number 5, text coloring. What you do, long press your screen and then click on the menu, tap appearance, click on text coloring, select any color of your choice. Number 6, personal dictionary. Every Android user has the right to create shortcuts for their convenience by heading over to setting, system, language and output or input, then click on personal dictionary and follow the steps. See. Number 7, number version. Android user can now decide whether their notification will display with number indication or not. By long pressing the screen, click on menu, number version and select from the drop down menu. Number 8, icon sizing. Screen. If you don't know, follow the step. If you don't press the screen, find menu, appearance, icon size, then choose from 80% to 120% which one best work for you. Number 9, gestures key. Now you can now operate your Android phone like iPhone when you remove the operating keys. To do those, go to setting, find smart setting, open it and then click on key setting, then click on gestures key, toggle it on. Smart lock, go to setting, stroke down to security and location and then click on smart lock. Select from the drop down menu that best suits your convenience. Number 10, that's fingerprint. I love this one. Go to your settings, stroke down to find security and location, click on that, click on fingerprint. Register your fingerprint 5 times if you are not yet. If you are, then add it up at least to least battery percentage. For some of us that love to press phone always, we like to see battery percentage to avoid losing current completely.